Bloody waters, drowning every day, every day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a braided wig today. This is the most realistic braided wig I've ever seen. Imagine saving all that time with just throwing on the wig. From FANCIVIVI, a package with the braided wig, wig cap, things that I'm gonna need to install this wig. Protective style I'm gonna get in about like 15 minutes. Instead of sitting for like 8 hours, come on now. So now we gotta braid down all this hair, girl. I started off with a braid down. I would recommend definitely to do like a circle braid down for this wig. Now I'm all braided down. Let's see what we got in our bag. We have a 36-inch full lace, full handmade HD lace goddess braids, large. Like, this wig is so realistic looking, it's ridiculous. Look at the scalp on this. I had to get it on my little mannequin head so y'all can see the back. Now, a lot of braided wigs don't have a full lace. They'll say full lace, but it'll still be like netting and other things that'll just like interrupt the whole lace of the wig. They also sent me a wig cap. This wig is so realistic. Like, look at the back of the wig. It's laced all throughout the entire wig. Like, look at that. Baby hairs on it. Yeah. Lace throughout the entire wig. Come on now. But let me give y'all some info. This wig was handcrafted. This is 100% hand tied with the baby hair all around to give it like a realistic look. Like, come on now. There's also no smell to the wig, so that's really good. No smell at all. And the braids are like perfectly done. Like, look at that. Yeah. And it feels lightweight. Usually when you like have a braided wig, it feels heavy, but this is perfect. I'm about to put the makeup on all over the lace so that it can look absolutely seamless. But I'm gonna do that after I do my ball cap. So let me do my ball cap first. So let's put our ball cap on and get our Got to Be freeze spray. We're going to put the ball cap on and then put that freeze spray all over the hairline just so we can freeze our ball cap onto our scalp. After it's dry, of course, we're going to cut it. We're going to add makeup to the wig and we're going to add makeup to our bald cap as well so that it is the same color. We want it to match. Now, for me personally, I use the cream foundation I showed you guys, but I definitely should have used like a lighter color for myself. But either way, after the ball cap is dry, you want to make sure that you cut off the excess up at the front. And then apply your makeup with that brush all over the ball cap. All over the ball cap because the lace wig is full lace, baby. So we can't leave any spots open. We have to make sure that we cover it all with our makeup. Okay, let's go ahead and slide her on. So she does have an elastic band in the back, so she's not gonna move. I am. We're in the middle. Oh, this is the middle. Duh. Okay. So I went ahead and just pretended to place the wig where I wanted to. And right here, I'm placing it and applied a little bit, one layer of like Got to Be spray because I wanted to go ahead and press it in. So after I did my little one layer, I just pressed in the wig into my scalp to make sure that I have it in the exact place I wanted it, just pressing it all over. After this, of course, I'm going to do my baby hairs and like, you know, get everything set. But I'm going to lay this, make sure I put my little scarf on so it just presses into my scalp. I'm going to take the scarf off maybe for about 15 minutes. But after I take it off, I'm going to cut the lace and then we're going to just do some customization. Be careful when you are cutting around your ears, just because I ended up cutting like a whole braid off. You don't want that to happen because you want your braids to be full. So make sure that you be careful when you're cutting your lace. Hey y'all, so we have the wig on. But I gotta fix the baby hair, so. And like, this wig is not heavy at all. Like, usually braided wigs be so heavy. This is not heavy at all. Let's do the edges. Just a little bit of got to be spray on my edge brush while I do my edges. And then I did end up cutting some of it. I wish I would have left it to see how it would have looked with the baby hairs like longer, but I did end up cutting them, so that was just my preference. But y'all don't have to do that. I will say they did an amazing job on the parts. Now this does have baby hairs all the way around, so even in the back. So y'all know I'm a braider. So the parts on this wig was so neat. Like, they really did their thing with this. Like, the parts on this wig are absolutely so neat. And the hair is like super soft. Like, it doesn't feel like synthetic hair like when you go to the hair store and you just like do your braids. Like, the braids feel soft. Like, completely soft. So here's where I noticed I wanted to put like lighter concealer, because the parts, you know, it would be given scalp, but the parts needed to be light, a little bit lighter, just so it can match me a little bit better. So I used my Cool Tan concealer from LA Pro Girls, and I went ahead on the parts and just made it a little bit lighter, just to give it more of, you know, a natural look of how my scalp really is. And here is it completed, girl. Like, I really did my thing with this wig. Because I'm not even like the best at wigs, but yeah. And then I went ahead and just styled it in different ways just to see how it would look. And it was super easy to do. Like, this is super convenient if you don't feel like sitting for hours getting your hair done. A little 15-minute, you know, quick thing. And then you can do this for photo shoots real quick. Like, this is just a perfect quick style. And it'll just save you money for any time you want to take it on and off. Because, you know, us girlies, we're so indecisive about what we want to do to our hair. But look, we can just wig it up. If we want braids, now we got braids. 15 minutes. That's all we had to do. But y'all, we are coming to the end of the video. I went out on this wig and got so many compliments. My friend was like, girl, didn't you just have in some twists? I was like, yeah, now I have braids. So, but yeah, leave your comments down below. Ask me any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, faves.